Got quite a few stores open. Sure is.
Let me say a number. Let's go over there.
What, Joey was closed?
Yeah.
Look at this food. See, there go another bus.
That's the only thing I feel comfortable in on the damn bus.
I wouldn't be taking no train. And I said, well, I'm giving it this snow a couple days more. I ain't thinking about trying to get somebody to dig me out of nothing.
Yeah, let it melt. It's not that bad.
No. Them kids will be out here tomorrow playing this here stuff, making snowball fights. Cause cause the last time they getting on these homeowners and stores to clean their path within 48 hours, snow or no snow. Yep. Damn, we should have crossed. Well, they got too much snow right there. Shoot. Ain't that true? You got a path right inside of there. Huh? Seems like everybody named Mama was out here today. At least sanitation ain't burying people like they did last time. I guess everybody got on their ass about that. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. I'm cussing. Yep. Whew. I don't know, I'm just looking around.
You say you want it?
I ain't say I wanted nothing. I ain't say I wanted nothing. I was just looking around and see. I don't want to buy nothing unnecessary. I wasn't saying about nothing. I said, I was just looking to see. Huh? Okay, shoot. Snack.
Let me just hold this 20. I'm gonna.
Huh?
Let me just borrow this 20. And I'll get back to you like it if I'll hit Magali.
How you gonna hit Magali? How you know Magali got money? Huh?
This also $7.99.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot,
No, no.
right?
Maybe we'll get the big one.